Hello YouTube, welcome to Curious Me channel. This is Shabazz Khan, and in this video we will learn how to create function in an SQL server and then use those functions. Alright, so this is a server management studio, and in that I have a database, my database, and I'll just simply open this new query and select my database. If it is selected as master, you can simply click the drop down and select the database which you want to use. So I want to use this database, which is my database. All right, so let's go ahead and write a code to create a function. So simply go ahead and write create function. The name of your function, I want to name it add let's say two numbers. All right, and the first parameter I want to give it is int as integer. Second parameter I want to give it is int2 as integer. All right, now I want to tell that I want to I want to return an integer. All right, so what begin. All right, now I want to return int1 plus int2. All right, that's it. N. So this is just my function. What it does is it creates a function which takes two parameters, all right, int1 and int2, both are integer types, and then it returns an integer type. And what does it return? It returns a number which we get by adding those two parameters. All right, so let's go ahead and execute this. So once the command gets executed successfully, what I can do is I can simply go ahead and write select and the name dbu dot add numbers. It will show up. So I'll pass 2 comma 5. So the result should be 7, and then we can go and execute by pressing F5. So it says cannot find other column name and all those things. Oh, sorry. The name of function was added two numbers. I'm sorry, that's a mistake. Added, yeah, 7. Actually, add numbers was previously I created that just for demo purposes before creating this video, so I'm sorry about that. This is the function that we created, and for seeing which functions you have created, so you can go in programmability section, and then after that you can go to functions, and then you can find scalar valued functions. So just right click on functions, refresh it, and then you will see this plus, then click on it and it will show you add two numbers. So I just called this add two numbers with 2 and 5, and it gave me 7. Similarly, I can call this with 2 and 15, and it will give me 17. All right, so you can use these functions inside stored procedures also. So if you don't know what stored procedures are, please visit my this link right here, and you can learn how to create stored procedures. All right, so let's quickly go ahead and write another function which returns a table rather than a scalar value, which is an integer like this one. So instead of returning an integer, we will return a table. All right, so let's go ahead and create that function. Create that function. Yes, create function. The name of the function should be split. All right, so I want this to take a string as n varchar of length 100. All right, and then what I want to do is I want to take in a delimiter as n varchar, which should be 1 because it will be just a character. I want to say that I want to return a table at the rate table. Okay, and it should be of type table, and it should contain a column a column name, and it should be nvarchar 10, and it can be not they both should be not null. All right, and then I want to say begin end. Now I simply want to return insert into at the rate table. Okay, now into did I okay select select just a minute. Select value, all right, from at the rate string. Okay, sorry, just a minute. uh, there's a function which splits the string. Yeah, split string. And I will take this as string, and then I'll say comma the delimiter. I'll pass the delimiter where value should not be equal to null. All right, so okay, so what I'm doing here is, it's very simple. What I'm doing here is, I have created a function and I'm telling that function to take two parameters. First will be string, second will be a delimiter, a separator which separates each string, each word in that string. I'll tell you. Means I'll run an example and you'll know what a delimiter is. All right. Now I'm telling that this function returns a table, and this table has only one column. Okay. And what I'm doing next is I'm inserting in this table the value which I'm obtaining by splitting this string based on this delimiter, and checking that each value that I get should is not containing an empty character. All right, so let me just run this function and you, okay, split something string values. All right, so let me just go ahead and execute this one. I have executed. Okay, it says return is okay. Just a minute. I'm sorry. It should, I just should simply return, because I have already inserted all values in this table, and simply writing return will return the entire table. All right, so let's go ahead and execute. And it says commands completed successfully. Just go ahead and select all from dbo dot split string values. Let's go ahead. Okay, takes in some few parameters. So this is my string which contains a few characters separated by comma. So comma is my delimiter, and this function will use this comma to break these strings. All right, and output, oh, sorry, shift home then F5. Okay, just let me go ahead and see what is the name. I just forgot the name. Hmm? What did I forget to create that function? No, function name is here. Just let me go ahead and execute it once more. It says could not found stored procedure. This command completed successfully. Okay, let's go ahead and refresh here. Okay, yes. Okay, so let's go ahead and write that code once again. Select all from what is the function name? dbo dot split. There is a problem with my, this window. Values a comma b comma c comma d. All right, and the delimiter is comma, because each of my word is separated by a comma. Okay, so what that function did is just it separated this string on basis of comma, and it returned a table with a column that consists of each of this a b c d. All right, so let's go ahead and check this function what it did. So what it did is it took this delimiter and the string, all right, and used this string split function to split this string on the basis of this delimiter, and then use each value to fill this table, which is this, and this return statement returns this entire table. Alright, so that was all about creating and using functions. Now let's move on to deleting a function. You can simply go here and right click on it and simply delete a function. Alright, or and also what you can do is, I'm creating a new query. Just go ahead and write drop function and the name of the function. So the name of this function is, let's go ahead and let me copy this to Control C because I'm lazy. Control V, and then F5. It says command completed successfully. Just go ahead and refresh here, and you'll see that there is no function that exists. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, then please do subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Have a great day ahead.